Welcome to our most recent video, in which we will go over the most significant space discoveries of the previous 10 years. We will explore the mysteries of the cosmos and unearth some of the most groundbreaking findings, such as exoplanets and black holes. This video covers everything, so please click the subscribe button, like it, and comment below with your favorite space discovery. The fourth discovery will surprise you the most, so let's get started. Thank you. Star subject: an enormous void in the cosmos. Our first topic transports us to the depths of space, where researchers have found a massive region known as the Boötes Vapor, which spans about 330 million light-years and is almost entirely free of matter. One of the biggest structures in the universe, the Great Nothing, is a super void whose existence begs some fascinating questions about the nature of the cosmos. Its discovery casts doubt on our current understanding of the universe's structure and the forces that shape it. What is the universe's largest hole? The primordial void, sometimes referred to as the enormous hole in the universe, is a vast area of space that is devoid of all observable matter, including stars, galaxies, and dark matter. It is situated in the constellation of Aridity and extends over almost 1 billion light-years. How was the universe's largest hole found? A group of astronomers from the University of Wisconsin-Madison used data from the dark energy study to find the emptiness. This research attempts to, by examining the distribution of galaxies in the survey and noticing the lack of galaxies in a certain area, the researchers discovered the vacuum while examining the universe's fast expansion. What does the discovery of the enormous hole in the cosmos mean? The identification of the theory of cosmic inflation, which holds that the cosmos should be more homogeneous and isotropic on a wide scale, is the foundation of the present understanding of the universe's structure, and Void contradicts this notion. The existence of the void raises the possibility that other factors, including cosmic voids, may have a greater influence on the construction of the universe than previously believed. Cosmic voids. What are they? The antithesis of galaxy clusters. Cosmic voids are enormous areas of space that are mostly empty of matter, including galaxies, stars, and dark matter. It is believed that cosmic voids occur as a result of the universe's expansion, which disperses everything. It is believed that cosmic voids are created when the universe expands and forces stuff outward, causing it to gather in denser areas like galaxy clusters and leave behind vast, empty expanses. What effects does the discovery of the universe's huge hole have? Our comprehension of the structure and evolution of the universe will be significantly impacted by the discovery of the big hole in the cosmos. It implies that the cosmic voids might have shaped the structure of the universe more significantly than previously believed, and might offer fresh perspectives on the characteristics of dark matter and dark energy. What difficulties arise when researching cosmic voids? Because cosmic voids are mostly empty and devoid of galaxies or stars, they are difficult to detect directly. Nevertheless, astronomers can examine cosmic voids indirectly by examining the distribution of galaxies around them. What are the possible advantages of researching cosmic voids? The nature of dark matter and dark energy, which are believed to comprise the majority of the universe's mass and energy, but have not yet been directly observed, may be better understood by researching cosmic voids. What are the next steps in the research of the universe's huge hole? Knowing how cosmic voids function in the structure of the cosmos may also help us better comprehend how the universe has changed over time. The discovery of the universe's giant hole has created new research opportunities. Scientists will probably concentrate on comprehending the nature of cosmic voids and how they shape the structure of the universe. They may also employ new tools and technologies to investigate the aridness void and other cosmic voids in greater detail. For more information on this intriguing phenomenon, click the links in the description. 2009's top space discoveries include the discovery of water on the Moon. Water molecules were detected in the plume's spectral signature after NASA's Lunar Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite Lacrosse mission crashed a rocket into a shallowed crater near the Moon's south pole, causing a plume of material to rise. The plume was analyzed by instruments aboard a spacecraft following the rocket, and this discovery was significant because it suggested that water, a crucial resource for Human exploration could be harvested on the moon since then. Numerous other studies have shown that water exists on the moon in a variety of forms, including permanently swollen areas at the second pole. Kepler 4552b. The discovery of Kepler 4552b, an exoplanet made by NASA's Kepler spacecraft in 2015, was significant because it was the first exoplanet to be found that was Earth-sized and located in the habitable zone of its star, where liquid water could exist on the planet's surface. Since its discovery, scientists have continued to study Kepler 455b and its star system to learn more about the composition of the planet's atmosphere and potential habitability. Kepler 452b is located approximately 1,400 light-years away from the constellation Cygnus and is estimated to be about 1.6 times the size of Earth. Third place nearby B. The closest star to our solar system, Proxima Centauri, orbits Proxima b, a possibly habitable exoplanet. It was found in 2016 using data from the radial velocity method, which measures a star's erratic motion brought on by the gravitational attraction of an orbiting. Although its atmosphere and possible habitability are still unknown, planet Proxima b may contain liquid water on its surface since it has a mass comparable to Earth and orbits within the habitable zone of its star, the fourth TRAPPIST-1. About 40 light-years from Earth, the TRAPPIST-1 system consists of 7 exoplanets the size of Earth orbiting a cold red dwarf star. The TRAPPIST Transiting Planets and Planetizable Small Telescope in Chile made the initial discovery of this system in 2016. It was noteworthy because it represented a large number of Earth-sized planets found around a single star, 3 of which were in the habitable zone where conditions could be suitable for liquid water and life. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and Spitzer Space Telescope are 2 of the many telescopes and devices that have conducted considerable research on TRAPPIST-1. The investigations have yielded important insights into the composition, atmosphere, and possible habitability of the exoplanets. In 2015, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave, number 5. When Observatory LGO discovered gravitational waves for the first time, it made history. These ripples in the fabric of space-time were predicted by Albert Einstein's general relativity theory more than a century ago, but they had only been directly observed until the discovery was made possible by Liggey's 2 detectors in Louisiana and Washington State, which are able to detect minuscule changes in the length of their arms brought on by passing gravitational waves. A completely new method of studying the universe is made possible by the discovery of gravitational waves, which enables us to examine the most intense and powerful cosmic occurrences, such as the collision of 2 black holes. This discovery has been hailed as the beginning of the 6th age of astronomy. On July 14, 2015, the spacecraft made its closest approach to Pluto, approaching within 700-800 miles, 12,500 kilometers, of its surface. The New Horizon mission was launched in 2006 with the goal of exploring the dwarf planet Pluto and its moons. The mission produced the first close-up images of Pluto and its moons, revealing amazing details about their composition and geology. The finding that Pluto has mountains, which scientists assume are composed of water ice, was one of the most unexpected findings. Along with exploring Pluto, the New Horizons mission also yielded important information about the Kuiper Belt, a region of the solar system beyond Neptune that is home to thousands of tiny icy objects. The mission also discovered evidence of active geological processes on Pluto's surface, such as nitrogen ice glaciers and cryovolcanoes. On January 1, 2019, the spacecraft passed by the Erica object in the Kuiper Belt, offering fresh information on the development and creation of the 7th Mars Curiosity rover. NASA launched the Mars Curiosity rover, often referred to as the Mars Science Laboratory, in November 2011, and it touched down on the planet in August 2012. Since then, the rover has been investigating the planet's surface, learning about its geology and climate, and looking for evidence of microbial life. One of the most fascinating findings was the discovery of methane in the Martian atmosphere. Since methane is a gas frequently produced by biological processes on Earth, there has been conjecture that it may be an indication of microbial life on Mars. Scientists now believe that Mars was once a much wetter and more hospitable environment. For life number 8, after the Curiosity rover discovered evidence of an ancient lakebed and stream channels on the Martian surface, in addition to the methane discovery. These findings suggest that liquid water may have existed on the planet. Enceladus, the moon of Saturn. In 2005, the Cassini probe found evidence of geysers erupting from the moon's south pole, suggesting the existence of a subterranean ocean of liquid water. Enceladus is a small, icy moon that orbits Saturn and has attracted a lot of scientific attention recently. This discovery has raised curiosity about whether life exists on Enceladus. Subsequent research on the moon has shown that the geysers are made of water vapor. In 2018, scientists found complex macromolecular organic compounds in the plumes of ice particles and organic molecules, suggesting that Enceladus might contain the elements needed for life. Additional missions to Enceladus, like the proposed Enceladus Lifefinder mission, will aim to better understand the moon's potential for supporting life number 9. The discovery of Enceladus and its potential to support life has opened up new avenues of exploration for astrobiology and planetary science. In 2014, the Hubble Space Telescope made the initial discovery of Ultima Thule, a Kuiper Belt object 4 billion kilometers from Earth. 2019 saw NASA's New Horizons spacecraft visit it, because it is thought to be one of the oldest objects in the solar system, having formed over 4.6 billion years ago. Ultima Thule is of special interest to scientists. During the New Horizons mission, the spacecraft took high-resolution images of Ultima Thule, revealing that it is a contact binary made up of 2 separate objects that have become stuck together. This discovery has given scientists important new information about how the early solar system number 10 formed. The James Webb Space Telescope. With the capacity to detect both visible and infrared wavelengths, the James Webb Space Telescope is a planned space observatory that is expected to replace the Hubble Space Telescope as a potent instrument for exploring the cosmos. This concludes our journey through the greatest space discoveries of the past 10 years. We hope you enjoy this video and learn something new about the universe. One of the main objectives of the James Webb Space Telescope is to study the first galaxies that formed in the universe and to look for signs of life on planets outside our solar system. The telescope is also designed to study the atmospheres of exoplanets and search for signs of water and other molecules that could indicate life. The launch of the James Webb Space Telescope has been postponed multiple times, but it is currently scheduled for October 31st, 2021. It will be launched by an Ariane 5 rocket from the European spaceport in French Guiana. We appreciate your time and hope to see you again soon.